Hello again. This video, I will talk about the revenue section of the new Dash. So in addition to the new look, the way we navigate, and the way we get to it, or the URL, we have made some changes to what we are displaying as well as how we are calculating it. So let's dive in a little bit to the revenue section. The first thing you should notice is the first number we're talking about is month to date. So as you know from our existing or old Dash, that we are calculating your data from the previous day. So if on September 7th, you're going to be seeing all the data from September 1st through September 6th. So when we say months to date, that's what we were talking about. Next, you'll see this little percentage sign, and it's going to give you a little bit of a hover, more information about what you're hovering over. And this percentage is the change from the previous month. Then if you move over to this section, we're actually looking at month to date this time last year. So you're going to be comparing what you brought in month to date this year versus month to date last year. And if you run the calculations, you'll see that you are in this business, they're 43% down from last year. And again, these hovers really help to understand what information we're displaying. Next, we have year to date. Again, self-explanatory. And then next to that is year to date this time last year. So if you ran the calculation as well, you would see that this 153,875 is 10% down from 169,954 from this period last year. So all of this information is a little bit new compared to what we were showing before. The next part of the revenue is your actual categories that are making up your percentage of revenue. And again, this is all month to date. So your recurring revenue is making up 77% of that 2796. Its total is 2146, and you can see here again with the hover, your percentage change from the previous month. So right away, we're giving you lots of information. We give you the top 3 revenue categories, but you have the ability to go see the revenue category that you want to see. So instead of seeing class cards, maybe you really want to focus on workshops. So all you do is unclick one, bring in the other, and it'll give you that information. Now these little modules are based on your profile login. So if you make changes, but you have someone else on your staff who didn't make those changes, they're not going to see it, only you will. Next to the right, we have year-over-year comparison. And all we're showing you is the blue line equals last year, and the red line equals this year, and gives you some key points to be able to see. So I hope that helps you understand what's happening in the revenue module on the dashboard. On the next video, we're going to talk about attendance.